Wow, it's day 6 of our Binance Smart Chain meme coin buying challenge using dollar cost averaging to buy, PHT and other meme coins. So we are progressing so far, as you can see, and today we are gonna be buying PHT and another meme coin, just as usual, right? So little by little, we are progressing. So now I'm gonna click on PHT and buy some PHT as usual. Alright, so I'm gonna click on swap. I'm gonna click on USDT, then click on BNB. So what we are doing now, very soon it will all make sense. Alright. So as usual, 0.0063. That's $5 plus. So I'm gonna click on swap via OKX. Understand, confirm. So what is the next meme coin that we are buying? Let's go to the screen now to find out. The next meme coin we are buying is YUKAN token. Okay, so as it says, we are the boldest meme token on the planet, and currently the market cap is 517k. $40,000 liquidity locked. All right, so let's check the chart. And as you can see right here on the screen, it was created 2 years, 3 months, 22 days ago. So most of these meme coins, they've been around for a very long time. If you gave birth to a kid 2 years ago, all right, that kid, okay, must have been eating, putting food in his or her mouth directly, like herself or by himself. All right, so the kid must have been working right now. So 2 years, it's not a joke, it's not a paint. But that doesn't mean anything, because we have so many projects that have been in existence for over 5 years that are still useless. Okay, so it doesn't really mean anything though. But what really matters is actually the community, okay, behind the project. Most of this project we are selecting, we are buying, they have strong backings, strong community. Okay, and that's why I see YUKAN, which is like their father right now, was like raised from the dead. So, and same thing is applicable to these other meme coins. You can see this one too has really pumped like crazy. Okay, so it's retracing currently. Okay, so actually I already marked out a zone, like a point of interest on the chart before I even started this challenge. Okay, so and take note, I didn't just start this challenge and start buying anyhow. Okay, I've actually taken my time to study some of these meme coins. Okay, and as a matter of fact, like 70 to 90% of the meme coins we'll be buying, they have the backings and the support of the people behind YUKAN. All right, so we don't have to reinvent the wheel. Okay, all we just have to do is to, participate. Okay, join the winning team. You understand? Join the winning team. Okay, so this is the zone that I mark as my point of interest, right here. Okay, so Eventually, if the price still gets here, it's a blessing in disguise for us. All right. So currently, this is where it is right now. Let's check the 4 hours time frame. Okay. So to me, the price could still get to this level that I marked. Okay. So, but you don't have to wait till it gets there, because PHT actually taught me a lesson. PHT, I marked a zone just like this. Okay. PHT pumped, and I was like, damn, I can't buy at the peak, so let me wait. Okay. Lo and behold, the price actually came back, touched the zone, boom, and pew, like just went up again like crazy. It just kept going up. You understand? So by the time it will get here, I might not even know. Though we can set alert on their screener. So maybe in the next video or tomorrow, if I remember, I will show us how to do that. So you guys can also remind me in the comment section. And it's not even difficult. It's something that you can do yourself. So you can set alert that when the price of a token or a meme coin or a particular altcoin gets to so price, you want to be notified. All right. So now let's copy the contract address for YUKAN and go and buy the little we can afford to buy right now. Okay. So this is a marathon. Okay. So no rushing. Okay. So this is the 6th day. All right. Don't forget this 90 to 100 days challenge. So I'm going to click on swap. Click on the USDT and click on paste. And select YUKAN. .002. Okay, so yeah, okay. Confirm. So all these ones that we are buying with $1 plus, or like with $2, don't worry, we are definitely going to buy more. Okay, we are still definitely going to add to them. Okay, so once we check the chart and we see that, okay, yeah, we can add more, we'll add more. All right, so that's just it. Then take note, guys, the WikiCat rewards is not daily. It's actually based on the volume. All right, the transactions. Okay, so but any WikiCat or getting WikiCat as a reward is certain, is assured. So, and I'm very sure that it's not only PHC that will be rewarding us with WikiCat. There are still some other tokens we will get that will be rewarding us with WikiCat. Because don't forget, I told you guys, most of these meme coins we are buying, they are being supported. They are being backed by, the WikiCat, communities. So, most of these meme coins, meme tokens, they are actually rewarding their holders with WikiCat. All right. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.